We wanted this house to be smart, we wanted this house to be enjoyable, and we had a couple of things which we wanted to do. One was our existing Bose lifestyle system. Second was the smart lock system, which we wanted to have for better security of the house. And the challenge was, who will do it for us? Somebody told us about the Jumbo and White crew, and we contacted them, and here comes Sherwin. And he comes and installs the Bose system. My basic requirement was, one is the effect of the sound, and second was I didn't want the wire to be seen anywhere. You know what he answered me? That, sir, we are an unwired crew, so there'll be no wires. So that really made me happy. And then he installed it. He was in no hurry to go, and he wanted to make the system very perfect. And the smart lock, he came and we installed it in both our doors, front and back. And today I think the family feels much more secure.
Dyson vacuum cleaner is powerful, easy to work with, wireless, easy to install, and we are very happy with it.
The best part was professionalism, and second was friendly, open to discussing the ideas, open to discussing the problems, and the ultimate aim was customer satisfaction. I think that was the best part of it. This is a team which I would not hesitate to recommend to anyone in Dubai or outside Dubai.